What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video in learning C++. My name is QDS Danny and you guys watching my channel Cryowood. In the previous videos we have learned what is generic programming. Now it's the time for us to go with what is templates. We're going to start the templates, and don't be confused. This template is totally different with another C++ standard template library, because the C++ standard template library, or STL, is not a part of C++, but wherever you guys go and study C++, you guys are going to see that C++ STL as well. But STL, because STL is a huge and it's very advanced topic, that's why I'm going to create another playlist with C++ STL. But at the moment, before understanding C++ standard template library, you guys need to know these templates, because templates, this is a part of C++, and you guys need to know the templates. What is the templates, how we create and reuse our code, just like previous videos, and I explained to you guys about the generic programming and code reusability. Alright, so we go ahead with templates, and the templates provide the ability to do generic programming and allow us to write generic classes and functions that work for the several different data types. And as I explained to you guys about the generic programming in the previous video, that generic programming is a main challenge for programmers to do code reusability. So because a lot of programmers and a lot of institutions waste a lot of time to go repeat themselves again and again and again, and in the programming there is something called dry, do not repeat yourself. So generic programming, you guys can link it to dry, and generic programming with the templates helps us to minimize the use of templates. So if, for example, you've got we have shown you guys the function overload. So we have used the function, and they said that if you guys want to use the wood, for example, the void, the function int wood, or you guys can string wood or anything wood. So yeah, the reason you guys can do the overload the function is you guys change the parameter. So now when you guys go change the parameter, then you guys can change the same function and again and again and again. This templates is exactly like that. This templates allows you guys to say you guys go ahead and use this template in your function, template type name or class T. Then you guys can use that in int, you guys can use it in string, you guys can use it again and again and again in the memory, no problem. So your program won't crash and the program runs very smooth. But say, for example, you guys going to make a program for a class, and you guys don't know what the user is going to put. The users might put their name, or the user might put their age, or the user might, so you guys create something called vector in templates. So you guys put templates T and you put a vector, which I'm going to show you guys in future videos. So you guys put that, and then you guys define that if the user put a string, or the user put a int, or the user put a double, float, whatever the user gonna put. So with the templates, because it's a generic ability to do generic programming, so that's what we say a generic programming. You guys do not need to define anything on top. All you guys need to do is to put out the keyword templates, and I'm gonna come in the future videos coming about the templates. So we're gonna show you guys how you guys gonna put your templates. Alright, so the ability to writing an algorithm that can be used in different types of data, just like I said, the types of data we mean by int, float, and double, or anything else. So that's you guys define as a data. A template is an abstract recipe for producing concrete code. And as I said to you guys think of template as abstract recipe for producing concrete code. So you guys use it as a recipe, just like restaurants or something. So they use a recipe to make dishes, delicious dishes, or you go McDonald's or KFC or any other fast food restaurant, because they have a recipe to make chicken, or Kentucky Fried Chicken, or anything, McDonald's, Big Mac, whatever. So you guys think of this as a chef, that you guys have a recipe of producing concrete code. Templates can be used to create one function or class to handle many different types of data. As I said to you guys before, just put a template, say for example vector, and that vectors, you guys do not put any type here, just like in our past videos we put a string T or a string S, or string Yazdani, or int Yazdani, or you guys put a double Yazdani or float, whatever. But the templates, you guys do not need to put anything. All you guys, you need to put something X, or you guys need to put a T. That's it. This C++ gonna translate that T if you put a template class T, then that T becomes your data type. So templates can be used to create one function or class to handle many different types, data types. And keep in mind data types we have we mean by int, float, double, whatever. So a template is a keyword that begins a generic function definition and using a type as a parameter. Keep in mind, you guys, if you guys want to declare template, you need the word template. You guys need to word this word, so as template. So keep in mind, you guys cannot put anything else and pretend this is a template. No, you guys have to put this one template, just like we declare a function that not returning anything void. You guys can't put just any made up function. You guys need to put a void for the compiler understand, knows that it you guys means you guys don't want to return anything. So that's the same cases with the template, is a keyword that begins a generic function definition and using a type as a parameter. And I'm going to explain to you guys again, and that's what I put it again here. So we can write a function just once and can have it work for many different data types, like int, as I said to you guys, float, whatever, double, float, int, string. Okay, so the last but not least, the compiler uses template to generate code for various functions and classes. So this is the one you guys need to remember. The compiler uses templates to generate code for various functions and classes. So now I put a functions and classes, and keep in mind with the template you guys can declare your function template or declare your class template. I don't want to confuse you now. That's our discussion for the future videos. So the compiler uses template to generate code for various functions and classes. So that's very important, and this is very important. Keep in mind that you guys need to declare this template if you guys want to use a template. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you have any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.